Good morning, guys. Welcome back. This is a Legacy School Year 2 English lesson, spelling sheet 7. You will need for this lesson your spelling book, your pencil, eraser, and sharpener, your dictionary. Today we are going to review E sound. This one is with the E, with the magic E, okay? We have E as in reef and greed. We have E as in reach and beach. So this one is E with magic E. This spelling list is a bit difficult, so I need you to focus and listen carefully. This E sound is mainly used in longer and more complicated words. So let's start our spelling list because it's really new. I want you guys to focus really well on them. Your first word is jeans. So those, I'm not talking about the jeans we put on, the trousers, no. Jeans here are tiny pieces of information or units inside your bodies from your parents that are passed on to you. That is why you look or sound like your mom and dad. Sometimes we say you got the genes from your dad, that means you look like your dad. Or you got the genes from your mom, that means you look like your mom, okay? So those are tiny units inside your bodies that were passed from your parents to you. That's why you look like them, or sometimes you sound even like them. Genes. Number 2, we have plural of this. It's these. These. Recede is to move back. Some men, when they get older, their hairline starts to recede. So sometimes you will find old men, the start of the hair is moving back from their forehead. So this is recede. Recede. When I want to erase something on the computer, I press delete. This is number 4. The word is delete. To erase something is to delete. Number 5, impede means to get in the way of something or to block or make more difficult. I will say my blocked nose impedes my breathing. Impede means block. To block something means impede. Impede. Number 6, I made a scheme with my friend to surprise my dad when he comes back from work. Scheme means secret plan. You make a secret plan to surprise your dad. You make a secret plan to surprise your friend in his birthday. So secret plan means scheme. To scheme to surprise someone, or to secret plan, to make a secret plan to surprise someone. It's scheme. Okay, so now you have number 1, jeans. 2, these. Number 3, recede. Number 4, delete. Number 5, impede. Number 6, scheme. Number 7 is concede. Concede means to admit to be true. That means I concede that last week Osman beat me in the race we had. That means you say that is true. To means to admit that something is true is to concede. Number 8, stampede means a wild rush of frightened animals or people. So there was a fire in the forest and stampedes of animals came rushing out. Those animals, when they get really scared and frightened from something and they're rushing out from somewhere, we call it stampede. Stampede. If you work hard, you will be able to complete or finish the spelling sheet in class. All the time, I keep telling you in class last year, please make sure you finish your work at school. Work hard to finish it so you don't have homework. So after you watch this video, or after you complete this video, you are going to complete your homework. Some people live in extreme poverty. Extreme means very, very, or the greatest amount of something. I would say this is really extremely hard, or the weather is extremely hot. That means it's super hot. It's really hot. Okay, we say extreme. Extreme. Number 11, Only the best athletes are able to participate in the Olympics. An athlete, a person who trains really hard in a sport. Like if you like running and you work really hard in running, you will be an athlete. That means at that time you can compete in the Olympics. Okay, you are an athlete. So an athlete, a person who trains really hard in a sport. Athlete. Number 12 is concrete. We use concrete to build houses. Okay, that means it's mixture of cement, sand, or water. Okay, we put them together, we make something called concrete. It's one of our, is it natural or man-made or manufactured material? It is manufactured material. Number 13, it requires a supreme amount of strength to move the cupboard. Extreme or supreme means superpower, or the greatest or highest power. Okay, this is supreme, means the best or the greatest or higher power. Okay, I got bumped up the hero chart because I saw two of my friends fighting and I intervened. When you stop something from happening, you are intervened. Okay, intervene. You see, when you intervene to stop a fight, that means you make them stop, or you stop something from happening. Okay, intervene. A phoneme is a digraph like A. Small parts of word sound like E is a phoneme, as in A, I, O. All of the digraphs we call it phoneme. Chinese food is one of my favorite food. Do you prefer Indian or Italian? So Chinese food, you all know Chinese. It's coming from the proper noun China, from the country. So the people are living in China, we call them Chinese. As we live in Sudan, we are Sudanese. Okay, so it's Chinese food. Gas lamps become obsolete with the invention of electricity. Obsolete means no longer useful. This is obsolete book. That means this book is not useful anymore. This is obsolete. The last one is centipedes. So centipedes look like a caterpillar but have many more legs. It's centipedes. Okay, so I have here a few information I want to pass on to you. So the soft ja in jeans is because it comes before an e vowel. That's why it's jean and not geen, not ga, because there is an e after it, so it's jean. Okay, also the soft sa in recede, concede, and centipede is there is because e vowel before. Okay, there is e vowel, that's why we call it sa. It's not ka anymore, it's sa. Okay, and the ch spelling in scheme is ka sound. The ha is silent. Focus. The ha is not stream, it's scheme with a ka. The ha is silent. Other word like this is school. We don't say stool, right? We say school. The a spelling in supreme is short u. It's not u and it's not o. It's u, su, supreme. Okay. The fa in phoneme is actually fa, or the pa is fa sound. Okay, it's phoneme, it's fa sound. And the capital letter in Chinese, because it comes from the name of a country, China, which is a proper noun. Chinese is what is called a proper adjective. Okay, we call it a proper adjective because it's coming from a proper noun. So those are our spelling list here. So we have gene, these, recede, delete, impede, scheme, concede, stampede, complete, extreme, athlete, concrete, supreme, intervene, phoneme, Chinese, obsolete, centipede. Okay guys, I want you to focus well.